Hello guys, it's Hadia here once again with another AI video. So since my last video, I have been researching some AI tools to help further ease my video production capabilities. And in doing so, I have found this wonderful site called futuretools.io. In this site, you can select these filter options to narrow down the search for the AI tool that you need for your specific situation. On the row below the categories, you can also select more options about these tools, such as if you want to see only the free versions that are available. Just select the free checkmark and you will get results that are free to use, or at least have a free tier available. Though in some cases, it has shown results which only have a free trial, so results may vary. You can checkmark the options for GitHub or open source if you want to see options which have their source code available. Google Colab options are also available as well as paid versions if you want those to be visible only. Furthermore, I wanted to showcase some cool tools I have found for each category. For generative art, Stable Diffusion is the most well-known, with Midjourney, Daily, and Bing Create being some other good options I am aware of. However, in this list we can also see more extensions for some of these existing tools like Comfy UI, which is GUI graph node interface for Stable Diffusion, which seems really amazing for customizing the output of the prompts you can input. Canva also have implemented AI into their suite, and so far I'm aware they have an image generator, as well as a text writer for their customers. I believe it is a free feature so far, so it is very useful for content creators going forward. For game development, we have 3D asset creations tools that use AI such as Spline 3D, Poly, 3DFY, AI, Leonardo DAI, and Canva. Actually, it looks like we have a lot of 3D asset creation tools. I think there are some other tools are textures, game scripting, and I think this tool called Opus is promising to even create entire games using text prompts. If I am reading this right, I don't know, but it is an option as well. For text-to-video, we have several AI-powered video editors and some tools like Synthesia, Kyber, Pictory, and Movio, which can be used to create cookie-cutter short videos based on text prompts. I don't see much use for these for me yet, since the videos are a bit too cookie-cutter for my liking. But in the future, some of these could become really powerful for video content creators in general. For text-to-speech, we have tools like Koki text-to-speech, some Python frameworks with text-to-speech like speech recognition. 11labs.io is another good site for generating text-to-speech audio files. In addition, we have tools like OpenAI's Whisper that can do the opposite and convert speech to text, which can then be used in other programs that have text prompts to create chain of AI tools that can get large productions tasks going. Among these other tools here, I'm sure you guys can browse through this site and find a tool whatever need or request you have. This video kinda ended up being shorter than I was expecting, but I don't feel like going through every category since it would make the video too long. So instead, for a future topic, I will make some videos showcasing some of these tools in greater detail, and also give you guys some examples of how they are meant to be used correctly to get the most out of them. Anywho, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, since doing so greatly helps my channel and thus allows B to keep motivated to make more content. Have a great day, bye-bye.